Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a unfinished single family bungalow for sale. It is located at Spur, Manchester. It sits on 0.34 acres of land. The original layout features two bedrooms, one bathroom, kitchen, and a combined living and dining area. The newly constructed addition, which is a incomplete section, incorporates two bedrooms, one bathroom, front porch, and split level garage. This can easily be converted to a multifamily residence. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18 million or US $116.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.